Biogen Scientific, presented. RT-PCR. Few specification of RT-PCR are: Number 1, sample block fix 96 well, compatible with regular profile or low profile 0.2 ml PCR tube, strip, non-skirted, semi-skirted and full skirted 96 well PALT. Number 2, sample volume, 10-100 microliter. Next one, block temperature range, 4.099.9 degrees Celsius. Maximum heating rate, 3.0 degrees Celsius, second. Max cooling rate, 2.0 degrees Celsius, second. For more detail, you may contact to us. Our mail it is biogen@biogenscientific.com, more cells at biogenscientific.com. And you may also visit on our website. Our website is www.biogenscientific.com. Thanks for watching video and subscribe my channel.